Hi everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can convert your PNG or JPG images to SVG images. So SVG is a scalable vector graphics that helps you keep the image quality while reducing the image size. So let's check how we can use an SVG image in our WordPress website. So for this we are going to convert our images to SVG first. So here I have designed a logo in Canva and I want to download it as PNG first. So what I can do is I will click on share here and I will click on download, and let's keep the transparent background and let me just increase the size a little bit. Now let me just download this PNG file. Okay, the PNG file is downloaded. So let's check on the information here, and here the total image size is 62 kilobyte. So let's convert it to SVG images so we can keep the quality while reducing the size. So what I can do is I will use a site called vectorizer.ai. So this website will allow us to convert our existing PNG images or JPG images to vector images. So let me just upload that image and let me just select that PNG image. So earlier the size was 62 KB. So let's upload it here. So it will take some time to process the images and convert it to the SVG images. And as you can see that the detail has improved significantly. So let me just download it. And here I will use the SVG and let's click on download. Now let me just open it here, and as you can see that the quality is significantly high. So let's upload the JPG images to our website. So here the image size is just 11 KB. So we have reduced around 50 KB within our logo. So let's upload it to our website. So let me just create a new post here and let me just upload that SVG image. So let's upload here. But as you can see there, it is saying that you are not allowed to upload SVG file. That's because by default WordPress doesn't allow us to upload SVG file. So for this we need to enable it first. So I have already made a video on how to enable SVG file in WordPress. So let me just show you. So I will go to plugins here and I can simply search for WP code. So this is a code manager plugin, so you can easily install custom PHP snippets to our WordPress website. So let's install this plugin. Okay, now the plugin is installed. Let me just go to the code snippets here and I will click on add new, and I will click on this option allow SVG file upload. So let's click on use snippets, and as you can see that it has already fetched the PHP code for allowing the SVG file. So let's click on active and let's click on update. Okay, now we have enabled SVG file upload in our website. So let's go to the post here. Let's click on add new. Now let me just upload the image again. So here is the SVG. So let's open it here. And as you can see that the SVG file is uploaded. Now we can increase the file size and the quality will not reduce while increasing the size. So in this way you can use vector graphics, or you can convert your existing PNG images to vector images and use it in your WordPress website without compromising the quality. This is an AI website, so it may not work for complicated images. Like if you have a hero images or if you have complicated images, then it can give problem converting it to SVG. But if you have simple images like logo, then you can easily convert your PNG to SVG images, and you can easily take advantage of the quality that we get in SVG. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button, and if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.